Hey folks, it's Nathan from 4 Erie Toyota standing here with this beautiful 2026 Rav4 LE. I just wanted to show you guys something that is a feature that I only just discovered the other day when I was delivering the first 2026 Rav off our lot. And it's an incredibly useful feature that comes standard in every single trim, including this LE, and I just wanted to highlight that for you. So this feature that I wanted to highlight for you guys is a front and rear facing dash cam that comes pre-installed in these Ravs. On the front, it's actually just hiding up here, and then on the back, it actually utilizes your backup camera. Let me show you how it works, guys. So if I just hop over here to the little cog for settings, and I go down here to where it says driver recorder, I have a few different options here. It is a option to have it continuously record, so it'll just record what's happening around you, and it will start deleting over it or recording over itself after about 90 minutes of footage. If I go on over here to my library, for example, and I just pull up one of the manual ones that I set up earlier, you can see just something that I was recording earlier of me just being a silly goose in front of the car, and you can see that coming up here. I can also click over here to it being a rear facing shot as well, but let's take a look at that resolution. It's actually a relatively high resolution for what it is, on par if not above what most aftermarket accessories would be for this particular thing. Oh, and there I am. I'm gonna wave at the camera as well. Hey look, Ma, I'm on TV. Okay, so a few other things about this that is pretty darn cool. I can go over here into my preferences, and I can set when these things are going to be recording. It can automatically go. I can record them manually as well if I wish, or I can go over here and I can set what type of sensitivity it is going to be recording on. These would be things like very, very hard braking scenarios, which would be the high sensitivity, or if I'd set it to off, it will simply just record 10 seconds before and after airbags have deployed. Pretty darn cool there. Anyways, that's about all I have to say about this feature. It just blew my mind that this comes in a standard, as a standard feature in the Ravs. I would challenge you to find any other vehicle that has this as a standard feature throughout its entire range. That's all I got for now. Subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.